Trello is an excellent tool for virtual assistants, enabling you to manage tasks, communicate effectively, and stay organized for your clients. Create client boards. Set up individual boards for each client or project to keep their tasks and information separate. Organize with lists. Structure lists based on workflows, such as to-do, in progress, and completed, or by categories like admin, social media, and research. Add tasks as cards. Each task should be a card. For example, schedule social media posts or prepare weekly reports. Include clear, actionable titles. Detail cards. Add descriptions, checklists, or attachments to clarify task requirements. Use labels to categorize tasks. Assign deadlines. Set due dates to keep track of timelines. Enable the calendar power-up to view tasks visually. Communicate via comments. Use the comments section on cards to update clients on progress or ask for clarification. Tag clients or team members as needed. Track progress. Regularly move cards between lists to reflect their status. This provides a clear, visual update for clients. Automate repetitive tasks. Use Butler automation to set reminders or repetitive task templates.